viewers, welcome to the Aisha Academy. Today my topic is reactions of the alkenes. So there are 4 reactions which I'll discuss in this video. So my first reaction is halogenation. What is meant by halogenation? Halogenation simply is a group in the periodic table, and it contains the different elements, for example fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine molecule. So I'll take bromine molecule in this reaction because it is halogenation. So how the addition of the bromine molecule takes place in the double bond? First of all, I'll draw a double bond molecule known as ethene because it has 2 carbon atoms and the central double bond is present between the 2 carbon atoms. And next I'll take hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms are present with 1 carbon and the 2 hydrogen atoms are present with the next carbon. So I'll take bromine molecule in this reaction. So how the bromine molecule is added in this double bond? The bromine molecule will be split down into the 2 atoms, one bromine atom containing the partial positive sign and the next bromine atom contains the partial negative sign. So this partial positive bromine atom will attack on the double bond containing the lone pair of electrons. And this negative bromine atom will attach with this carbon atom. So how the addition takes place? First of all, cyclic dibromoethane is produced. And secondly, cyclic bromoethane is produced, and secondly, dibromoethane is produced. So how the cyclic bromoethane is produced? I'll again draw 2 carbon atoms having the 2 hydrogen atoms and another carbon atom with the 2 hydrogen atoms, and a bromine is attached centrally. So that is why it is known as cyclic bromoethane. So nextly, as I said, the negative bromine will attack on this carbon atom, and so that is why dibromoethane is produced. So how the dibromoethane is produced? The negative bromine in this first of all do not take part in the reaction. Only the positive bromine take part in the reaction. The negative bromine will be emitted out. So this negative bromine that is emitted out take part in the reaction, and this negative bromine will attack with this carbon atom. So this positive bromine will attach with this carbon atom and this negative bromine will attach with this carbon atom, and in this way dibromoethane is produced. So how the dibromoethane is produced and what is the structure of the dibromoethane? We will again draw 2 carbon atoms with the 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms are present with 1 carbon and the 2 hydrogen atoms are present with another carbon. So I'll draw positive bromine with this carbon atom and the negative bromine with this carbon atom. So this is the end of my first reaction. So moving toward my second reaction, which is basically called as hydration. So what is meant by hydration? Hydration simply means addition of the water. When the water molecule is added in the double bond, then this reaction is basically known as hydration. So how the hydration takes place, and in the first reaction of the hydration, which molecule or which acid जो है वो कौन सा acid जो है वो उसके अंदर हिस्सा लेता है. So in case of hydration, we will again draw a simple ethene molecule having the 2 carbon atoms and a central double bond is present between the 2 carbon atoms, and I'll take a H2SO4. So how I draw H2SO4? I'll draw H2SO4 in this manner, that is H having partial positive sign and OSO3H. I'll split this compound, this H2SO4, in the 2 atoms, one containing partial positive sign and next contains the OSO3H contains the partial negative sign. So how this H will attack and where this partial positive H will attack? So this partial positive H will attack on the double bond, and this OSO3H will attach with this CH2O. So how this partial positive H and OSO3H will attach with these compounds, and what the product is produced. So first of all, I'll draw carbon atoms, 2 carbon atoms. This partial positive H will attack on this carbon atom. So I'll write here CH3 and CH2O along with OSO3H. So as you know that this is hydration, so HOH or H2O water molecule takes part in the reaction. So how the water molecule will add it? So I'll again take this CH3CH2OSO3H compound, and HOH or H2O will take part in the reaction. So I'll again take this compound CH3CH2OSO3H in the reaction, and HOH is added in this reaction. So how HOH is added in this reaction? H is partial positive, as you know that, and OH is partial negative. So this H will replaces this OSO3H, and again H2SO4 is produced, that is consumed in the reaction, will be emitted out in the end. So and this H replaces this OSO3H, and OH will attach with this carbon atom. So alcohol molecule is produced. Which type of alcohol is produced? This is the ethyl alcohol is produced in this reaction. So CH3, CH2 and OH, and H2SO4 is emitted out in this reaction. So this is the end of the second reaction, which is known as hydration. So moving toward my third reaction, which is basically known as halohydration. So what is meant by halohydration? Halohydration simply means addition of halogen acid in the double bond. So what is halogen acid? I'll take an halogen acid. For example, halogen acid have simple functional formula, that is XOH. So this gonna be halogen molecule, and I'll take Cl in this reaction, ClOH. When the ClOH is added in the alkene molecule, then the halohydrins are produced. So how the halohydrins are produced? I'll again take an ethene molecule in this reaction, having the two carbon atoms, and the center double bond is present between the two carbon atoms, and the two hydrogen are present with the one carbon, and the two hydrogens are present with the other carbon. And I'll take the ClOH molecule in this reaction because it is the halohydration. So how this ClOH will be added in this reaction? Cl is partial positive and OH is partial negative. So how this Cl partial positive will attack on the Cl partial positive will attack on this center double bond, and OH will attack with that carbon atom. So how the compound is produced, and which type of the compound is produced? Which type of compound is produced in this reaction? In this reaction, Cl will attack on the first carbon atom, and OH will attack on the second carbon atom. So how the formation of the product takes place? I'll again draw two carbon atoms. Only a single bond is present between the two carbon atoms, because double bonds is breaking down in this reaction. So two carbon atoms, again I'll draw two carbon atoms, and a single bond is present between the two carbon atoms. So one OH will attack on that carbon atom, and Cl will attack on that carbon atom. So in this way, and as to satisfy the valency of the carbon, I'll again draw the hydrogen atom. So this is the end of the third reaction, and in this reaction this product name is ethylene chlorohydrin, 1-chloro 2-hydroxyethane. This is also known as 1-chloro 2-hydroxyethane. So this is the end of the my third reaction. So moving toward my fourth reaction, what is the name of my fourth reaction? So my fourth name of the reaction is the name of the fourth reaction is polymerization. So what is meant by polymerization? As you know that poly means many, and merization means addition or addition of an atom. So mers mean units or parts. So poly means many. So when many small monomers are attached and a larger molecule is produced, that type of reaction is known as polymerization. And the smaller molecules that are added, for example, I'll draw a simple reaction, that is N. For example, these are the polymers, and and this is the monomer, and the larger molecule that is produced is known as monomers, and these small are known as monomers, and the larger molecule that is produced is known as polymers. So I'll draw the reaction of the polymerization. So what is the reaction of the polymerization? I'll simply draw a ethene molecule in this reaction. Ethene molecule having the 2 carbon atom, and the 2 hydrogen atoms are present with 1 carbon, and 2 hydrogen atoms are again present with another carbon, and N means many smaller molecules of the ethene. I'll take many smaller molecules of the ethene. So how the reaction will take place, and what type of the side products are used in this reaction. So in case of polymerization, a molecule is taken that is known as titanium chloride is taken, and this polymerization will take place at 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure, this polymerization will take place. And in case of polymerization, many small monomers are attached, and a larger in case of polymerization, only smaller monomers are attached, and the larger molecule is produced that is known as polyethene. In case of ethene, when many small ethene molecules are added, polyethene is produced. So in this way, polyethene is produced, having the general formula. Okay. In this way, polyethene is produced, and it is very much important and industrially used in the formation of buckets. Very much industrially used in the formation of buckets, in the formation of carpets. So viewers, this is the end of my lecture, and I have completed all the reactions which I have written down. The 4 reactions, I have completed the 4 reactions, naming halogenation, hydration, halohydration, and the polymerization. So this is the end of my video, and please subscribe my channel if you like my video. And till then, Allah Hafiz.